Hi, I'm recording this video to give my opinion about Eric's training in the Investment Accelerator. I joined this program after a lot of due diligence and checking out with the members too, and they highly recommended the program, and I'm really happy I joined. And my first investment in this program was Lockheed Martin, buying options. I bought it in February 26th and sold it on April 6th with a 30% gain. Now, slightly over 30%, but 30% gain. And I'm extremely happy with that. And glad I joined this program. And what I really like about this program is also the Facebook group where you have like minded people sharing their thoughts and opinions, which is really helpful. And the weekly coaching calls where Eric addresses all the stocks, the pros and cons about it, is really insightful. I sincerely recommend this program for anyone who wants their money to work in a very positive way. I'm absolutely loving this. I'm so glad I joined this. Thank you, Eric. Appreciate it.